Alright, next we have Zippo product on bottom line. Let's see, using my handy dandy trusty Gerber pry bread. Try to cut through some of that tape and bubble wrap. Alright, there you go. There we go. This is a Goodyear Unis Steel 2, whatever that means. Multi-tool kind of Zippo multi-tool, and bill clip. I like these. I have quite a few of these in my collection now. See, the knife has been, the tip is pretty good, but there. That's okay. I don't use these for much of anything other than collecting, but I put some cleaner on it because it's pretty rusty right there. So actually we'll go in with the paper towel because it's pretty bad. So these more or less, they're a lot less common than Zippos, but collectible to me are at least all the same. Clean off that blade. We'll put a drop right where it's making contact. Try to work it in here. Get this file too. And kind of work it in. Not gonna be the best, but wipe off the extra. But much better, see? I got that far, and then boom. So much better. And these I'll finish up throwing a little bag. So I like to put a little bit of a cleaning solution. Helps protect them from rust and all that good stuff. Mess with it a little bit like that. This works the lubricant and the whatever oil you're using into the hinge, which is where all the friction is caused and all the issues. Much better there. You just do this about as many times as you want until you're happy with the amount. But yeah. Great addition to the Zippo collection. Thanks for watching, guys.